Today I'm going to show you a few tips to do if you cannot find your Bluetooth accessory on the LENOVO Tablet M8. So if you have a problem with the Bluetooth device, start always from the simplest way, so switch off and switch on again the Bluetooth connection to restart it. You can also try to restart your tablet. It's obvious, I know, but sometimes it really works, so just try it. At the start you have to be sure that your Bluetooth accessory has activated Pair mode, and how to activate it you will find a manual to your device or maybe on your YouTube channel, so just check it and be sure that your Bluetooth accessory should be visible for other devices, but it's still not for a tablet. Open the settings, swipe down to the system and choose reset options. Select the Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth, tap on the reset settings button and tap on this button again. After that look again for your device on the Bluetooth list. You can also try to update your system, so to do it you have to open the system update in the system section in the settings, and if you have an update just click on this button and install it. And the last step, try to find your Bluetooth accessory and your tablet on other Bluetooth device to check which one is visible, which one is making problem here. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like, recommend and goodbye.